Hi, this is Max, and Max is getting ready for Easter. Bunny ears on, and little basket is ready too. But wait, where are the eggs? Oh, here they are. Here's the first surprise. Both the basket and bunny ears come from official Lego set. And all I added was a wristband to make the basket strap. And surprise number 2. There's Bunny and Squirrel hiding inside. Sorry, Max, I need your bunny ears. Lid on, and this might be the cutest basket I've ever built. And if you'd like to build one with me too, stick around, the speed build's coming up. Let's start by building the little bunny basket. It's such a cute part of this set. Both parts of the basket are very similar. The bottom of the basket is ready, moving on to next part, building the sides. Now I'm building Bunny's face.
Oh, he's so adorable.
The little basket is now complete. Next, I'm building a home for little Bunny. This turned out so beautiful. And now I'm building a cozy little home for Squirrel. I love how this turned out too. And here they are, hidden inside the basket. Such a perfect Easter build. Now all it's left to do is build bunny ears. Ta-da! Bunny ears basket with 2 tiny homes is complete. And honestly, it turned out even cuter than I expected. What do you think? Leave your thoughts and comments. I will be back soon with something new.